Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're drawing a Dresser cute girl wearing a spring flower dress. So let's get started. To draw this cute girl, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a circle. Now that I have this circle in, I'm going to come across about this wide and draw another circle. There. So now with my two circles in, I'm going to make them draw so cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. There. So now that the eyes in, I'm going to come to the sides right here and spruce them up with some lashes. So maybe just two of them. And same thing over here on the side. And one more. And now that I have that, I'm going to come above each eye, about right here, and just draw a curve, soft curve over each eye for the brow. And same thing over here. So, oh, actually, you know what? We need to draw that one later because we have hair that we need to draw first. So then from there, let's give her a sweet smile. So right about here in the center area, we're just going to go up slightly and cap it off. Then from there, let's frame her face. So I'm going to come to the top of her eye, really close to these lashes, and just give myself a point. So same thing here, basically where the lashes. And I'm just going to come to the side right here and draw a curve around her eye. And then we're going to bring it down, kind of like the bottom of a U. So I'm going to come back to my center and say about this low. I'm going to give myself a point right there, just so I know where I'm going. Just a little bit easier for me to see since I'm drawing big. And bring it down right here. And then from there, we're going to go right back up. There. So we're just creating this curve for her face. Then from there, let's see. There we need to start to draw her hair. So I'm just kind of imagine this oval for her head. So her hair is going to be off to the side. So let's say about right here. I'll give myself a point. And from there, I'm going to draw a curve. So I'm going to come out and then in, curve it down really close to these lashes and just pop it out. And whatever space you have left, you can just finish that up. And then on this side, I'm just going to do the same thing, curve and then out. There. Then we need to draw the other brow before I forget. So right about here, same thing, whatever space you have left. So then from there, let's come back in this area. And I'm just going to kind of tuck in this curve for her ear. And just draw some details in there. And over here, we're going where her hair parts, we're going to go up with a slight curve over here. And then this side is going to come up on both sides. So let's bring this side down to about right here, and I kind of wave it a little bit. I'm just kind of giving her some wavy hair. And then on this side, it's going to go up, then come down to about right here. And let's see here. Let's draw the rest of her body a little bit, her hair a little bit later. Let's finish her body first. So I'm going to come back to the center, about right here, and give her a little neck. It's going to come down, and then we're going to come out for her shoulders, her collarbone, but we're not going to go all the way, just a little bit. before her shoulders start, and we're going to stop right there, and because she has these sleeves that kind of poof out. So I'm going to stop right about here, and then we're going to bring down an angle for her body. So about right there, I'm going to angle a little bit more, come down to about right there for her waist. So about right there, and I'll just go ahead and connect this there. And then we know what we're working with for her top. So let's come about right here, and I'm just going to draw a curve coming out about right here. So we're going to start to draw some details, and then here, if you like, draw a little line for her waist. And then in here, I just want to add some lace perhaps. So I'm just going to draw a bunch of these curves right here. And if you like, you can give her a little heart necklace. It's so small, but hopefully you can see that. And then we can go ahead and draw her sleeves. So I'm going to come right here and pop them out, and then come down. And say about right here, I'm just going to curve in once again. So same thing here. I was just inspired to draw a pretty spring dress. So hopefully you like what I came up with. And so then now that we have those sleeves, we can come right about here, and we're going to draw the skirt pattern. So I'm going to pop this out and pop this out. But this side's going to come out more this way because I'm having her hold her skirt up on one side. So let's work on this side first. I'm going to bring this down, bring her skirt down, and we need to draw this arm first so that we know how far to bring up this part of her skirt. So I'm going to come right here, and where her arms would be, I'm just going to draw a curve right here, and just the shoulder coming out, so about right here. And I want her hands to be about, let's say about this long. So about right here, kind of curve in, and then come out a little bit, and then just tuck it in for her hands. There, so about that long. Then from there, we kind of know how far we need to bring this. So we're going to come out, and we want this part to kind of be at the same. So let's say about right here. I'm going to give myself a point. Kind of same height as the arm, and we're going to bring this out and flare it out. So creating this curve, and then we need to draw this arm, which is going to be a little bit higher than this arm. So that's why we're making this the same height as that. Okay, sorry. So then let's come back in here, and we're just going to curve her arm in. So same thing here, where the elbow would bend, and then we're going to come out. So bear with me here. So it was coming about right here, and I'm going to pop out a finger, a thumb I mean, right about here, and then the rest of the fingers down. There. So we just want it slightly higher than this arm right here. There. Okay, so now that we have that, we can go ahead and finally, we're just going to bring this down a little bit more, flare it out. And so we just kind of want this angle going up. So let's go ahead and I'm just going to kind of wobble my way up. There. Okay, so now that we have that in, we can go ahead and draw her feet. So let's find the center about right here. And I'm going to go to the left, go to the right. And we're going to start on this side first. So I'm just going to bring down her legs. Coming down at a slight angle on both sides. And let's come about right here. We're just going to get thinner as we come down. And I'm going to give her a pair of cute sneakers. So I'm just going to draw a curve right there. Bring it down and towards the center. I'm going to curve a little bit. And connect. And then so right here, I'm going to draw a sole. Curve. And same thing here. There, so you got a little pair of sneakers. And let's see here. Then for her hair, let's finish this up. So I'm going to come right about here and pop this out a little bit more. And I'm just going to wobble my way in and just tuck it in right there. So just on one side. And if you like, you can give her a pair of earrings maybe. And dangle it down. And then on this side, I'm going to wave it down. And as I come down here, I'm just going to wave it a little bit more and pop it out. There. And let's see here. Some details. Maybe right here. And draw a curve. And then for her dress, let's come here. Draw some curves. And on the bottom part, I thought it'd be really pretty to just add whatever kind of flowers you want when you're drawing, when you're coloring it. But I don't want to, definitely don't want to use my Sharpie because it's going to be too dark. But just decorate this part and maybe just kind of blend it into the dress. But that is pretty much it. I really hope you love this Draw So Cute Spring Girl and that I helped you draw her fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.